Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a churros piping bag. First, gather your materials, a large sheet of parchment paper, and your preferred star tip nozzle. This simple setup is perfect for achieving those iconic churro ridges. We'll walk through each step, ensuring your homemade bag is strong enough to handle the dough. Get ready to pipe perfect churros with ease. To begin, take a large piece of parchment paper, about 16 inches by 16 inches, and fold it diagonally to create a triangle. Now, hold one corner and begin rolling the paper inward, forming a cone. Ensure the tip is pointed and the cone is tight, preventing any dough from escaping. Overlap the edges securely to maintain its shape. Next, take your star tip nozzle and push it firmly into the narrow end of your parchment cone. Once it's snug, trim the very tip of the paper, allowing the nozzle to protrude slightly. Now, open the wider end of your bag and carefully spoon in your churro dough. Fill it about 2/3 full to leave room for twisting and easy piping. When piping, apply steady, even pressure to create uniform churros. Cut them to your desired length directly over the hot oil. Remember, practice makes perfect. For more great kitchen tips and other fantastic deals, check the description below. And hey, while you're there, you might find a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. They're seriously comfortable and built to last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.